Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am and if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. And before we get started into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you guys come back and watch my videos. So if you guys are watching this video right now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so today's video is all about this baby right here, which is from Tatcha, and this is the silk canvas filter finish protective primer. So right off the packaging, it looks really beautiful. It comes in a very beautifully packed box. So this actually retails for $72 in Sephora. I know it's very pricey for a primer, but you know, I couldn't help myself. It's because I heard a lot of good things about this primer and I want to try it out for myself. But you get a lot of product for $72. So as you can see, it comes in a very beautifully airtight packaging, which is sealed perfectly and beautifully. And then when you open it up, you have this beautiful container which has like the metallic purple border, and it has the Tatcha silk canvas. And when you open it up, it feels so luxurious, guys. And then they also give you like a spatula thingy to actually scoop the primer with. Instantly filters away imperfections and impurities all day and over time, so that's good. So this blurs your pores, fine lines and uneven skin tone. Primes with silk powder for long-lasting flawless makeup, yes. Protects skin from makeup and pollution. Color corrects with a universal shade for healthy, soft focus glow, yes. Anti-aging Japanese superfoods help restore the look of youthful radiance. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys how I actually use this primer on my face. Without any further ado, let's get this video started right now. Hi guys, can you see that my face is actually swollen? If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already should know. This part of my face actually slammed and hit the floor. That's why this part here is actually way much more swollen than here, and I hit my body on the floor. I have a blue black right here on the floor. Okay, so what I have on my face is just like my normal serum. So I'm just gonna go in with this primer. Just gonna take like that, a pea size. So it looks like a little bit like a silicone primer. Alright, and then we just massage it in. I've heard a lot of good things about this primer, guys, and I really hope that this primer actually works for me, because number one, it's just way too expensive for the primer not to work. If you guys do not know, I think everybody who knows me well enough knows that I'm a very clumsy person. I just can't stand how swollen this eye looks. It looks pretty good. I find that it blurred a little bit out on my, feels very soft. A little bit tacky on the skin. Since I'm oily combo, I'm just going to pat this down a little bit with just any loose powder that you have, just to set this portion in so that it doesn't go and crease as much. So for foundation today, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. Okay, then for foundation brush, I'm using, this is the Morphe Y7 brush. So I'll just, ow, that part of my face. I'm still like figuring to myself like in what position that I actually fell down, because both of my knees have bruises and one of my shoulder has a bruise. My face don't have bruises, guys, so that is like pretty intriguing. The majority of the blow that was taken from my fall was taken by my shoulder. Alright, so foundation is done. It is actually looking absolutely flawless, guys. I really would like to know the longevity of this primer. Going in with the Kat Von D concealer. Still looking a little bit puffy due to the pain. Okay, to set my entire face, of course I'll be going in with the Beauty Bakeire to just set underneath my eye area, and then for the rest of my face I'll go in with the Laura Mercier powder and set it. So looking up close, I find that it really did give me a little bit of blurring at the places that I want to get it blurred. I really like the way how the primer looks out. So let me just go and do the rest of my face. I'll come back. Okay, so my face is done. I'm loving the way how it actually makes my face looking really flawless, really beautiful. I'm absolutely loving it. I will check in with you guys 4 hours, and then maybe the next one will be about like 6 to 7 hours, and then will be about the time when I come back home, about like 9 to 10 hours. Let's go. Hi, welcome back to my office toilet again. So as you can see, this is on my face for like 5.5 hours right now, and it's still looking flawless, guys. It has not even creased at my smile lines at all. 5 hours, guys. This is so flawless. This is still flawless, guys. Not much creasing on the forehead. Just a little bit here at my smile lines, because here I have pretty deep smile lines. Pretty much it's fine, guys. 5 hours mark, 5.5 hours mark. Is basically 8 hours, exactly 8 hours of the primer on my face, and it's still looking flawless. Okay, my nose area, like my oils has come out a little bit, but it's not that bad. I do not hate it. I really like the way how it actually gives my face that glow. I'm sorry I'm giving you a tour of my office toilet, but it just gives me a very small amount of oil mixed with the primer, and it just makes my face look so healthy, guys. I really love this a lot. Of now, it is 8 hours. I can't wait to go back home and show you guys with my studio lights, guys, really. Okay guys, so basically I am back and I'm going to show you that, okay, I'll show you the time is actually 12:21 right now. So I applied this makeup since 2 p.m. So it's exactly 10.5 hours of the primer on my face, and look at how flawless my face is. It gives me that healthy looking glow. And may I add, I didn't even touch up my lipstick at all, guys. One whole day. Yeah, so basically besides it settling right in here, you see right over here I do not have much, but here I have a pretty deep smile line. It's because this side is a deeper, as you can see. This side is actually a deeper smile line than. Alright, so my overall thoughts about this primer is I 100% recommend it. I 100% love it. It is definitely worth the hype and definitely worth the buy as well. For me, I'm oily combination skin and it's still looking very flawless, and I think I can go on for another like 5-6 hours, which no one does that, but I think I can. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And if you have the primer, if you have this primer, do let me know at the comment down below and how does it work for you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is my giveaway video. Bye guys!